Jonathan Fibonojji, day trading instruction, video 1. You're like, Jonathan Fibonojji, are you going to talk about Amy Winehouse some more? Yes. I love Amy Winehouse as much as I love trading. Not really. Jonathan Fibonojji. Boom. Okay, that's my intro. Day trading instruction. Down to business. Time to learn how to day trade. Who am I? Jonathan Fibonojji, nature lover, stock trader. In fact, I just took a beautiful walk in beautiful Durango. Look at that. I thought I'd do a little bit of day trading instruction, and you know, I love trading the markets, and I'm just one of those that just loves to train. I love to, I just love the market. You know, I guess if there was a CrossFit for financial people, it's called day trading. Here we go. Some big words are coming. 480 train. Okay, there's my intro. Jonathan Fibonojji, Americana417@gmail.com. I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you bought my not DVDs, but I put some videos together for day traders, and basically just to break my system down, my day trading system down into 10 very easy to understand lessons. And sometimes there are just some foundational things that you have to learn in any skill, you know, whether it's basketball, it's my favorite sport, golf, even football. I'm not sure there's any real skill in football, but if there were, you would break them down to certain patterns, and that's what day trading is. And so today, if you don't know, the market hit 21,000. The Dow hit 21,000. So what I thought I'd do is I would use this chart and make video 1 of Jonathan Fibonacci's day trading system. And you know, you could look at some other videos where I'm using this chart and I'm talking about motive moves, and I'm talking about fourth waves, and what are like doji stars, and what are Japanese candlesticks. And before you know it, you're like, holy shit, day trading is more than just buying and selling. It's learning how to cooperate with the market. And then you have to watch out for things like volume, which is right here. And then you have things like stochastics. And why are stochastics good? And they're kind of the worst, best things you've ever seen. Stochastics, and there's some people, in fact, I went through a phase where that's all I did is I traded off stochastics, and guess what? I lost money. There's some people who make up terms. They're like, I'm a momentum trader. Like, well, you're not a momentum trader. What the fuck does a momentum trader say, except I'm just a novice? What I do is I'm sort of the Warren Buffett, or I subscribe to the Warren Buffett theory in business, and Warren Buffett has this great quote where he says, if you cannot explain it on the back of a business card, your business idea is too simple. Well, so here is my day trading strategy. Elliot Wave, Japanese candlesticks, pick your favorite wave and trade, and then just get really, really good. Okay, so let's, again, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you have bought my $480 day trading DVD set. I'm going to just put them on some thumb drives, or maybe you got a thumb drive. And anyway, so I'm assuming that you have already got that. You have an interest in it. You've put down your nickel. And now you're saying, all right, Jonathan Fibonacci, teach me how to trade my Vanguard account, or teach me how to make an extra few $1,000s a month so I could stay home with my family, or maybe you just love to trade the markets. So whatever your reason is, learning to trade the market, there are certain skills and certain patterns. So here are 3 words. And if I had a real fancy editor, I would put 3 words on the screen here. I would say, number 1 is the word channeling. What is channeling? 2, I would use the word truncation. And you'll hear me use that term a lot, a truncated fifth wave, and how it is so important. In fact, if there's nothing you get out of this video, learning how to identify a truncated fifth could save you tons of money. So, you know, for example, right now as it stands, this is in a truncated fifth position. Well, truncated fifth positions going long that's a really bad overnight. So truncated fifths, you better be short. If you're not short on a truncated fifth, do you even know how to identify that? So first word is channeling, second word is truncation, and the third word is encapsulation. And so I talked earlier in a video, kind of an intro video, this is channeling. These are really technically called fourth waves right here. See that? Now this is truncation. Do you see this right here? And I could show you any stock chart. Oh, and by the way, my day trading strategy, it works for any person, you know, so you could be in commodities, you could be in options, equities. It's a pattern. I mean, learning to be a pattern day trader, an Elliot Wave Fibonojji, is just learning how the markets move and then learning how to use your own personality, your own unique blend, or bend rather, to trade. So for example, you might be a very optimistic person and you just want to buy low, sell high. Well, chase one waves. One waves become two waves, become three waves. Just get out of the fourth wave, okay? Here's another microscopic one wave. Here's a one wave. So, you know, you might just be an optimistic person and you want to chase one waves. Well, you want to focus on one waves and you want to get really good at identifying two waves. And what's a Mark Twain pattern? Well, that's a Fibonacciism, or a colloquialism that I'm using. Another colloquialism I'll use is boom, stable, boom. Well, check this out. Boom, stable, boom. So a full cycle, or I should really say, to make it 100% accurate, because I never know who's watching these videos. You may be just a kind of a newbie person with a $50,000 trading account. You might be a hedge fund manager managing 500 million. So when I talk about a cycle, let me just identify that as a motive cycle. So that's one cycle, and clearly something changed here. Well, technically it's in the fifth wave, but I'm going to pretend you don't know what that means. So going back to the three words, channeling, truncation, encapsulation. One thing about encapsulation is that's when there's a lot of movement within a single candle. And a candle is a Japanese candlestick, and that's its own conversation. In fact, one of my videos will be about how to set up your computer so that it looks like a professional trading station, which is with Japanese candlesticks. And these are Japanese candlesticks. And that's a Doji star. And that's so important right here. This little microscopic movement here relative to that, set that up. So you may be a very optimistic person. You're like, all right, Jonathan Fibonacci, teach me how to buy one waves. I'm like, well, $480, buy some DVDs. You might want to do some more advanced training. I could talk to you about that. I may even do some seminars where we put 3 or 4 or 5 really smart people in a room and we say, I'm going to teach you to trade. But seminars are kind of a pain in the ass. Sometimes it's easier just to watch a video in the comfort of your own home and office and learn how to do that. But if you would like some on-site training, that's obviously more expensive. But if you watch my videos, you want some advanced training, then just email me, americana417@gmail.com. So one thing I want to do is I want to keep these videos short, keep them hopefully entertaining. Today on video 1, what is channeling? Technically, it's a fourth wave. What's a truncated fifth, and why is that so negative? And then, well, you might want to learn how to go short in a market. And what does encapsulation look like, and why is that important? Well, let me kind of put a final note on encapsulation. What makes encapsulation in a candle so important is that a lot will happen in that candle, but you may not see it because it's encapsulated within a single candle. So what do? Here's another example. Here's another. A lot happened in this candle here that you won't see unless you slow down your TD Ameritrade or whatever interface you're working with. And when you slow it down, you might see the market a little bit differently. And notice how fifth waves consolidate at the top and eventually move into an AB or channeling. The fifth AB is also an example of channeling. So I'm going to use a lot of Jonathan Fibonacciisms, and I'm going to kind of use my own language to hopefully make day trading fun, but also more, easier to understand. So channeling, learning how to identify and work the channels, that's going to be the first 8 to 10 months of your day trading practice. If you can learn how to navigate the fourth wave, then you're onto something. Truncation, that's specifically when the market is ending and you're in a fifth wave. And then finally, encapsulation. And that's sort of a neutral, but so important, because you might think that you're looking at a three wave, but you're actually looking at a fifth wave. So if you have any questions, daytrader, Americana417@gmail.com. You might just be like, all right, Fibonojji, that's enough trading. I'm going to go to the beach. Think about it. Great. Email me, Americana417@gmail.com. Become a better day trader, $480. I'll send you some videos, or you can just watch some of these. If you have any questions, I don't want to do any, or really a lot of free consulting. But if you do have a day trading question, there's a chart you want me to look at, just go to PayPal. Go to drop me $100 via PayPal. Send me the chart. Let me look at it. I'll add it to my list of videos, and we can go from there. Email me, Americana417@gmail.com. Close out with some beautiful Amy Winehouse. Uh-oh.